Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best bath towels that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SALBAKOS Luxury Hotel and Spa Cotton Bath Towel Set, 4-piece, white. Drying yourself after taking a bath, shower, or a swim is more relaxing and enjoyable with this white bath towels. Comprising of 4 towels, each measuring 27 by 54 inches, the SALBAKOS Luxury Towel Set is perfect for the spa and hotel. It's made from 100% Turkish cotton and is very luxurious. The eco-friendly item doesn't contain any artificial substances or components, and this assures you of 0 side effects. It also doesn't leave any lint and will keep your skin clear and dry. The pros of this set of towels include soft, thick, very absorbent, and good pricing. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Shakir Turkish Linens Turkish Cotton Luxury Hotel and Spa Bath Towel, set of 4, Aqua. This set of bath towels are made from the finest Turkish cotton. The fiber is regarded as among the best and has amazing absorbency and also looks very luxurious. Each towel measures 27 by 54 inches and has a 700 GSM for the best fluffiness and thickness. It feels very soft and light but is equally very strong. It will tolerate everyday use, dries relatively fast, and doesn't lose its shape or appeal even after many washes. Its main positives are soft, durable, absorbent, elegant, and stylish. Some consumers nonetheless say that it isn't ultra-luxurious. At number 3, we have the Utopia Towels Premium Towels, 4-pack. If you run or manage a spa, hotel, or gym, you should consider investing in these gray towels from Utopia Towels. Coming with a 700 GSM rating, they are among the thickest towels on the market. They also have good moisture-wicking properties and will quickly dry your body. The texture is very soft and smooth and you won't feel too dry even when using the towels intensely. The 27 by 54 inch towels are woven from 100% ring-spun cotton and are strong, shrink-proof, and scratch-resistant. Furthermore, they are lint-free and don't contain any artificial compounds or chemicals. Although they are strong, super comfortable, nice to touch, and lush, the towel may shed a bit the first time. At number 2, we have the Blue Nile Mills Bath Towel Set 2-piece, premium long staple cotton. Coming in a cream color, these bath towels from Blue Nile Mills will make the bath experience more enjoyable. Each of the 2 towels measures 30 by 55 inches and feels very practical. They are made from long staple cotton fibers which are known for their sturdiness and durability. With a 900 GSM, the towels are super soft and are relatively thick. This gives them their good absorbency that leaves you completely dry. However, thanks to the smooth fibers, the towels won't scratch your skin. Main advantages of the towels are good thickness, very fluffy, good quality and also highly absorbent. And finally, at number 1, we have the White Classic Premium Bath Towels, pack of 4, 27 x 54 inch. Why struggle with lint all over your body or scratch your skin when you have this luxurious bath towels from White Classic Premium? Coming in a pack of 4, the 27 by 54 inch towels ranks among the top 10 best bath towels in 2020. They are super absorbent and will leave your body very dry but won't chafe or irritate the skin. Additional to this, they are made from 100% cotton and should last for a long time under proper care. They also don't fade, become rough, or lose their appeal even after numerous washes. The main merits of these towels include good quality, good size, luxurious, and strong. The demerit is they are little thin. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.